I have the DJI Air 2S, and I'm going to be replacing the blades on this drone. Now, the DJI recommends that the blades get replaced once every 3 months, but what does that mean? If you're not using your blade every 3 months, what does that really mean? But they go on to say if there's any scratches or dents or anything wrong with the blades, replace them immediately. And I'm going to show you what my blades look like. I've actually went a little bit longer than 3 months before changing the blades. Actually, I've not replaced these blades whatsoever, but I ran the risk of actually losing my drone due to blades being damaged. And I'm going to show you what the blades look like. You can see right here, they're scratched pretty well. They're dented. They're not too bad, but there's some chips inside of the blades on pretty much all of the blades, and I'm going to go ahead and replace them because of some of the scratches and because it's been longer than 3 months, and quite frankly, I have extra blades, so it makes sense to go ahead and do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up the drone right here so you can see this a little bit. So the drone is right here, and then I have blades. There are 4 different blades going here, and they're marked accordingly. So with the DJI symbol facing backwards, as you can see right here, it's facing backwards. This is the front of the drone, and the blades are marked either A or B. And I'll show you right here. So A and B. So the A blade goes either on this one or this front right propeller right here. So the A goes right here or right here. And so I have 2 A's and 2 B's. And then the B's, if you can see on the symbol, they make it quite easily to follow. You have a B that goes right here and a B that goes on this blade, or replace this blade right here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go ahead and take off the blades. And I haven't done this in a while, but I believe I just go ahead and press this down and then twist. So I'm going to get in a little closer so you can see this a little bit better. So I'm going to take right here and then twist it. It goes right here. So I'll go ahead and take this and just discard of that. And then go to this one right here. And not all of them come off in the same direction. The A and B go off in different directions. And I think they do that to keep the user from putting the wrong blade on to the drone. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and twist this one off right here. And then we have one more on this side right here, which I'm going to go ahead, twist, and pull off that way. All right, so now that I have all of the blades off, this is what they look like. And I'm going to show you some of the damage that have come upon these blades. See, a little bit has run. I don't know what that's caused by, maybe by folding it and putting it back in. And here is some chip damage on to this one a little bit. You can get in closer. You can see a little bit of the chip damage. It's chipped right here, and the color is coming off. Now, I know the blades still can work past 3 months and pass some minor chips in there. But one of my main concerns is, are the joints becoming loose? Will this come off eventually because of wear and tear? I don't know. There's no way of telling that this may come off, and there is no indication that it will come off. But if they say change it every 3 months, you know what? I'm going to change it every 3 months. So this is the blade. These are the blades. I'm going to discard of these, put these to the side, and then I'm going to go ahead and attempt to put on the blades. Again, like I said, there are 2 A's, and it marks where it goes. One right here, and then one right here. And then I have 2 B's. I have 1 B right there, and the second B I have right here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to start off with A. And I'm just going to go ahead and open this up, the fresh pack. You can see the blade. It's pretty much flawless, nothing on there whatsoever, no damage. It's a new blade. And then I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. And I'm just going to go ahead and put it in here. And then I'm going to go ahead and push it down and then twist it until it locks into place. Just like that, really secure. All right, so that's in a place. And once I have that, I'm just going to go ahead and close this up right here because I don't want to damage that. And then I'm going to come over to the other A, and put this on. And you'll notice that the A's and the B's, to get them on, they go on completely different from the other. So I'm going to go ahead and take this, and I'm going to go ahead and press it down, twist it, make sure that it's locked in place. All right, so that's locked in place. And then what's left is I have the B's. I'm going to go ahead and take this particular B off and open this up and get in a little bit closer so you can see this. All right, so here's the motor right here. Just going to go ahead and open this up and press it down like this, and then go ahead and twist it, all right, until it locks into place. Make sure that it's locked into place and secure. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the final B, open this up, and then just like the other blades, I'm going to place it in and twist it in its special way for B. And if you look on the blade, it actually tells you which way to turn it to lock it into place. Do you see that? There's a lock right there. And then it's pointing counterclockwise to turn it. So let's see if that works. So I'm going to go ahead and put this down here. Then I'm going to turn it counterclockwise, and it locks into place, and I'm able to close it up like that. Let me show you what the blades look like right now. Just like this. And the blades are on, and now I can close this and put this back into its case and get ready for a fresh run with some fresh blades. And I feel secure that the blades are secure, and go ahead and shoot some footage. Now, it's important that you read your instructions and abide by the user manual and warnings while doing this, because you do not want to put this on improperly, and perhaps maybe I didn't give instructions very clear. Go by your owner's manual so you put the blades on and you're operating your drone properly. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.